So right here we have a 2004 Lexus RX330. This is just a video of how to power it on the bench. We have right here on this cluster we do have two connection ports. One is a 16 pin, as you can see right here, and the second one is a 24 pin connector here. How we're going to go ahead and power it on is, if you look at this symbol here, usually just means ground. So any schematic diagram you're looking at and you find that symbol, is just a ground. We're going to trace it and go to number 1 on the 16 port pin. Number 1 is ground, and then right here on the top we see that this says it's always hot in on or start, and that goes to pin 8 right there. The next one is this two here, hot at all times, and this goes to straight from the fusible link, and these are going to power our dome fuse and other lighting on the cluster, and that is going to go, those are going to go to 15 and 16. Most likely we don't need both of them, but we're going to go ahead and connect both of them. And then on the second connector we do have a ground right here that shows us, and that goes to pin number 1 right there. That's really all that we need on here. If you look on the left here, you can really just read more diagrams there if you want to. We also do have other ways that we use to test the cluster. If you look here, we want to look at the fuel sending unit and see if we want to test how much gas we have or make sure that our gauge is working for our gas gauge. That's what we use to test it, and that goes there right here, and so on. So we're going to move on to the cluster itself and take a look at it. Right now, here's the cluster. I have it all taken apart already, taken out the pins, the needles, disconnected the dash. The customer sent it in because some of the LEDs weren't working, and also wanted to update the just the information display here, the mileage on it. And this is a Denso cluster here. I've gone ahead to make all the connections that I need right here. This is just a homemade wiring that I made here. This bunch is the power, and this bunch is the ground for it. On this you can also see the mileage chip on here. What I've gone ahead to do is to select this here. If you can look at it closely, that's a pin 1 right there, and some of them have this written on them. Then this here right here is going to be 9, so it's going to be 1 through 8 right there, and then go from 9 through 16. This is going to do the same 1 through 12, and then 13 through 24 right there. And that's how it goes. And we're gonna go ahead and power it on. Turn it around. Alright, connecting it to power, and you can see it all came on. Everything is working right there. Gonna disconnect it again, just power it on the bench. Yeah, there you go. That's how you power the 2004 Lexus RX330 on the bench. More videos to come. Follow my channel. Just subscribe and also hit the notification button. That will help you get notified whenever I post some new updates. Thank you.